Experiencing FPS drops in League of Legends can hinder your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help improve your performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and effects to improve your FPS. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help maintain a stable FPS. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting can prevent your CPU and GPU from throttling down during gameplay, leading to better performance. Step 5. Check for malware. Run a malware scan on your system. Malware can consume resources and cause performance issues, so removing any threats can help improve your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing League of Legends. Enjoy your game.